Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone. Welcome back to my another video. In this video, how to make the same header on a page in Microsoft Word. Firstly, open new blank document. Then go to Insert, click Table, click Insert Table, number of columns 4 and number of rows 100. Then OK. Write your header name. Okay, then select the rows and right click mouse, go to table properties, rows, select repeat as header row at the top of each page. Then OK. We can see the same header names. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment.